Welcome to Morehouse. So today we want to get you acquainted about the place that you're going to be living. So
here we are. This beautiful house was built in 1906 and she has lots of bones, let me tell you.
The house has seen quite a bit. The history is super extensive. Super cool enough. After World War II, the US interrogated Nazi suspects here. So knowing that we're living in a place with so much history to it is super exciting, and how much impact it has on us today.
Yeah, absolutely. This house has a lot of history, and you'll be making your own here. We have built our history by enjoying game nights and movie nights downstairs, or from
taking a quick scenic walk to the Hauptstrasse. This place has so much to offer. So let's take a dive into this house together.
Welcome to Morehouse. This is the entrance to the breakfast room.
This might not be the main entrance, but it's one that we use the most.
Welcome to the breakfast room.
This is where you're going to spend a lot of time in the Morehouse. This is where you can eat, where you can watch movies. As you can see, we're watching Shrek right now.
Over here, we have some games, and there's decks of cards, art supplies, anything probably there. Through this door, we have the kitchen.
Okay, so in the kitchen, you have the ability to cook with pots and pans. We have blenders, microwaves, ovens, a coffee machine. You're able to use any of the fridges or freezers that we have in there. We also have our pantry over here through these doors. But as you can see with the couches, this is where you're going to spend a lot of time and hang out and have a lot of great memories with some of your friends from Morehouse.
And that's all from us. See you in Heidelberg.
Hello everyone, this is the laundry room. This is where students can do their laundry. As you can see, a fellow student, Macy Berryman, is doing her laundry right now. And then here's where you can get your towels if you need. If you don't bring them, we have some for you.
The machines are super easy to use. They're about €3 per round of laundry. And in here we also have a super sick door. It was used by the CIA during World War II to interrogate Nazis.
And this was the laundry room, and now we're gonna go to the piano room.
Welcome to the piano room. This is kind of like a multi-purpose room. But before we get into this, let's go over to the library.
What's good, y'all? So this is the Morehouse library. Now, you see all these books on the wall. Yeah, we ain't be reading them. All right, anyways, though, so this is where if the students want to study, get some, like, if they need to get good grades, we be coming here late at night. Good hours, good hours. If the students need help, we ask the librarian. Shout out Olivia. Now, AC, put us on.
We also got a bunch of instruments in here, most of which we use for house church, which we hold in the piano room every Sunday.
I'm going to tell you some of my favorite item in this room right now. We got the baby grand. All right, y'all. So as you can see right here, we got a grand piano, or baby grand piano. And in the library, you all saw earlier, there's tons of instruments. And the cool thing about Heidelberg in the program is that in the summer, there's a huge music program. So there's tons of instruments for the students to use here.
We got some guitars and some bongo drums, whatever in there. We like to use those for fun sometimes. And then over here, we have the table. Dude, we love to come here, do homework, yap, or look at the amazing view of the city that we have here. This was the piano room, and then right next door, we got the computer room.
Let's go.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome in. Here we have an area where students such as us like to just socialize, maybe play a little guitar quietly, of course, and just enjoy the views. People will also use this area to FaceTime their family members back home and just enjoy a nice day such as this one. So now here we are in the computer room. Students often use this area to study, just do homework, or anything along those lines.
We have printers that students can use free of charge without color. We have a number of books that students can access as well.
The computers themselves are also of access to students. And if you ever need a much needed study break, you can have that out on our beautiful terrace with fresh air.
Hey guys, welcome to the girls' floor. So we have some of our dorms over here, and then the rest are this way. We're going to show you guys.
So when you enter this hallway, we have our linen closet here, which is where you can get fresh sheets every 2 weeks from a student who works that dorm.
And then we're going to show you guys over here to the bathroom. So this is one of the girls' bathrooms, and it is clean once a day, as you guys can see. And then we're going to take you just back this way and show you into one of our rooms. All right, welcome in.
So this is just one example of what a girls' dorm will look like.
So any of the dorms here at Morehouse can fit up to 4 people in them.
It usually comes with like closets. You get your own little sink thing right here.
And we have the cat cave right over here too.
But that's all we had for the girls' floor, and so right above us is the guys.
Welcome to the boys' floor in the Heidelberg house. If you guys want to follow me, I'm going to show you guys one of the rooms.
Hey guys, welcome into this luxurious room right here. Teo's already made himself very comfortable.
Absolutely.
Here we have a newly remodeled room, 2 beds, 2 dressers like from Narnia, a desk, and a newly remodeled sink.
And if you want to make your way over here, each room comes equipped with a nice heater. These heaters crank too, so you're never going to get too, cold in the winter. So yeah, if you guys want to follow us this way, this is the hallway. There are a couple of other boys' rooms this way. Say hi to Yusuf. This we'll show you guys in a little second. This is the attic.
Here we have our R.A. Billy's room, and then you come into the bathroom right here. We have 3 huge toilets, 3 huge showers, and 3 huge sinks. Here, why don't you come in the shower with me really quick? Show you around. Huge, luxurious. The water gets very, very hot. And then we're gonna go back out into the hallway right now. We're gonna show you guys the attic. A lot of people say actually that this place is the best place in the whole entire house. So we're gonna show you guys it right now.
As you can see, we have some actually Pepperdine Heidelberg students in their natural
There's
habitat.
always a lot of action going on.
It looks
up
like
here
they're
in the
playing
attic.
Uno.
Are you
Homework
guys
here.
studying? What are you guys studying for?
We are studying for our German test that we have tomorrow.
Are you excited about this?
Oh, we do have
I
that
am
tomorrow.
thrilled. Go German. Yay.
This is the type of attitude people have in Heidelberg.
Yep.
Everyone-
Always happy, always energetic. Let's show you guys this side of the attic over here. We have a couch over here connected to a TV. There's a lot of old vinyls over here. A lot of people in the house love this old type of music.
So we
Lead them
actually
down
have
the
this
steps.
really nice hallway right over here. In case you guys are worried about, how many suitcases you're going to bring to Heidelberg. People like to pack a lot.
Yeah.
So honestly, just don't worry about how much stuff you bring because there's a really, really deep hallway. So yeah, right now we'll probably we'll finish this vlog, later, and we're going to get to studying a little bit.
Yeah, we all have a huge midterm tomorrow. We've been studying for weeks.
We actually
so
forgot about filming this video.
It's actually grind time.
It was a
right
great
now.
reminder
Yeah.
that everyone's working on
Hope you
this.
guys enjoyed it.